Okay guys, we're going to do a little work with calculating atomic mass and atomic charge of an atom. So if you'll remember, well here, let's start with this. Our atom is going to have 8 protons, 8 neutrons, and we'll say 9 electrons. Okay, so this is just a made-up atom that we're going to work with. Atomic mass is measured in something we call AMUs. This is just our unit, so this stands for atomic mass unit. Our formula to calculate mass is the number of, number of protons plus just your number of neutrons. So if you'll remember, protons and neutrons are both found inside the nucleus. So the nucleus is actually what gives you the mass of an atom. So if we want to find the mass of this atom, we just plug these numbers into our formula. So we can calculate the AMU by adding the number of protons, which is 8, to the number of neutrons, which is 8. So 8 plus 8, this is 16 AMU. This is the mass of our atom. Now for charge, remember protons have a positive charge, neutrons are neutral, they have no charge, it's a 0, and electrons have a negative charge. So neutrons don't matter in the charge of a total atom. They're zeros. We don't want to add 8 zeros, that's just redundant, we don't need to do that. So instead, we have a positive 8 and a negative 9. So the charge is your protons plus, and remember electrons are going to be negative, so it's electrons plus protons. Charge, so protons are positive, we have 8, this is a positive 8 plus our electrons, which remember have a negative charge, so this would be plus a negative 9, positive 8 plus negative 9, that's going to equal negative 1. So this is a negatively charged atom. If you're struggling with this, another way you could write this is we have 8 protons, so we have 8 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Electrons are negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can go through and cross these out. 1 negative for every positive, and we are left with 1 negative. So again, that would give you negative 1 for a charge.